Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Gallery Teachers Masterclass. My name's Lana, and today I'll be looking at Personalisation 2.0, or using generative AI for personalizing learning experiences. Personalisation holds massive potential for learning. When we connect what learners are studying to their own experiences and interests, their learning becomes meaningful, and that can lead to real improvements in learning outcomes. And now, with the rise of generative AI, we have even more tools to make our learners' learning experiences more effective. There's a lot of buzz around generative AI. Many are talking about its potential input, and teachers are exploring ways to use it in their classrooms. But here's a catch. AI is not a one-size-fits-all solution or a quick fix. On its own, it won't automatically personalize learning. It still needs our teaching expertise to truly work. In this session, we'll explore how AI can support personalized learning, helping you create effective learning experiences that feel relevant and meaningful to all your learners. We'll discuss the concept of personalization in the age of AI, the elements of effective learning experiences, and the use of AI that can support personalized learning. We'll showcase some particular examples of personalized input, activities, and feedback. Our goal is not to bombard you with tech or to suggest using every tool out there, but to show where generative AI can add value to language teaching and learning. By the end of the session, you'll walk away with practical, easy-to-use strategies and fresh and actionable ideas for using generative AI to create learning experiences that resonate with your learners. I hope you can join us. Really looking forward to seeing you there.